All right, guys, what's up? And we're to lesson 1. It's not going to take that long, and you're probably going to be like, "Oh, we already did this." I know we did it, but anyways, we're actually going to go, okay, to you know, remaster it a little bit here, okay? You know, um, change it up a bit. All right. So the return, okay. This is like all the past when we first started with our UPMC class. We did chapter 1 was our very first one we ever did. So today we're going to go back to chapter 1. And of course, we already know if we're going back to chapter 1, we know the lesson here. This is lesson 1. Chapter 12 is going to be what? The return. But what's the return? Right? I'm pretty sure we already know. What's going to happen. All right, here we go. Okay, so back to the past. The return of the 2 UPMC facilities. I'm pretty sure we talked about the 2 UPMC facilities like 3 months ago, didn't we? You guys remember talking about the 2 UPMC facilities about 3 months ago? Well, we're going to go ahead and visit that place again. All right, revisit it. Sorry about that. But things are going to be a little different though, okay, from what we did last time, okay? So we're going back to the past and returning to the 2 UPMC facilities, UPMC Montefiore and UPMC Presbyterian. Now, this is lesson 1. I have a question I want to ask you guys. Have we returned from the future a little too soon than what we expected? Have we returned from the future too soon? This is lesson 1. Okay. All right. So remember when we did chapter 1, lesson 1, all the way back in January 2017? Like I just said here, we did it like at the end of January and beginning of February. We did chapter 1, okay? And we talked about the 2 UPMC facilities. Like, remember a whole lot of things from that very first chapter and that very first lesson in Unit 1, okay? So, yeah. I'm pretty sure you guys remember most of the stuff, okay? We remember the basing of a story is what? How many times do I gotta say it? The basing of the story is what? We have a basing for every live stream. What's the basing known for? Please don't tell me you don't know what the basing's known. You don't tell me you don't know what the basing's known for. I'm going to ask Jonathan. What? Now, if I was to ask Jonathan here, Jonathan, what is the basing of a story? I'm pretty sure we already know it. Okay? Okay, so the basing of a story is the start of a story, okay? And our story began on 7 May at UPMC Montefiore. Right? So it begins on floor 7. It doesn't begin on 4, it doesn't begin on 12, it doesn't begin on 8, it begins on floor 7. Because that's the main entrance. The main entrance is usually the basing, all right? The start. The base, the start, okay? And the basing of modifier is what? Or the start of modifier is level 7. At Presby, it's level 1. At Scaife Hall, it's level what? 4. At the Folk Building, I don't really know. Okay. Whenever I get to the Folk Building again, we'll probably go back to lesson 1. I mean chapter 1. Or next year actually we'll do that will be our very first one we'll do the UPMC facilities again, but things will be a little different because we'll have new elevators. Okay. So we learned about all the elevators at UPMC Montefiore. We learned that some of the elevators there are different. All the elevators there are different. Okay. with similarities, okay? So, I got to go to the bathroom, but guys, speaking of some of the similarities between all the elevators at UPMC Montefiore and UPMC Presbyterian, there's Schindler and Houghton and Dover and Otis and Koenig and Commercial. Be thinking about the 5 service cars too. There's 3 of them that look alike, and 2 of them that look alike, okay? What's their styles? How are their styles and touches there? Remember we talked about the styles and touches? Be thinking about the styles and touches. If you need to use chapter 1, lesson 1, feel free to. It will help you understand what are the differences and similarities. Don't say you don't know, because we talked about it 3 months ago. Okay. I'm back. So, here we go. What were some of the some of the similarities are every elevator at UPMC Montefiore, except for free or traction. There's only 3 of them that are hydro. And then another similarity is they all have stainless steel doors inside. Every elevator there. Oh wait, no. There's 2 of them, 4 of them that don't have the diamond pattern. Okay. Okay, so that's another similarity. 7M, they all go to 7M. Every elevator there, except for 2 of them. Or except for 3 of them, sorry. There's only 3 of them that don't go to 7M. That's strange. The 3 that don't go to 7M are the 2 operating room cars. I'll show you guys them. And Houghton in the basement that only goes up to 5. Okay. We all know the differences then, right? Okay, so we're not going to get into the differences. So. We learned that the UPMC Montefiore is connected to the UPMC Presbyterian Hospital. So you go up to set 8 and Montefiore, and you connect to, you go up to 8, free near Presby, or the Coffin Medical Building. You go to 7, you're on the 9th floor of the Coffin Medical Building. Now, it may seem boring to you that we are going over chapter 1 and lesson 1, and when we already did it back in January, but no, we're not going to do that this time. What we're going to do is something better planned than this. We're going to focus on 10 elevators at UPMC Montefiore, okay? 10 elevators at UPMC Montefiore. They're all original, and 15 elevators at UPMC Presbyterian. No biomedical science. There's no. There's none involved, okay? So don't be saying, where's the Chiller 408? Where's the biomedical science town? Where's the Coffin Medical Building? Where's the main elevator? No. All the elevators that have not been modernized are the ones we're going to focus on. Now, what kind of van is this? Okay. We're going to join this van's crew, okay? What kind of van is this? It's a Schindler van, okay? So what's a Schindler van have to do with what we're going to learn about in this lesson? A future modernization. These are what all the elevators at UPMC Presbyterian and Montefiore that you're about to see are going to be in the future, okay? This is their future modernization. Think of how you would like to modernize these elevators, okay? And I want you to think about why you would want to modernize them the way you want to, okay? So I'm going to give you guys 10 at Montefiore and 15 at Presbyterian. The more is Presby, the less is on Montefiore, okay? Now, any way you want to modernize it is going to service, okay? Even the employees in some sort of way. Now, I want you guys to ask yourself these questions before we start the modernization project. Okay? So what product are you modernizing it? Why are you modernizing it this way? How many things do I need to know about this elevator car? And is the elevator car suitable to be modernized? Which means, is it okay for the elevator to be modernized? Is it feel it needs modernized, okay? So if you want to use Schindler Port, that's fine. But if it's a low-rise elevator, do you expect to use Schindler Port on a low-rise elevator? No. You don't. High-rise elevator you can, though. The Schindler Port, you can use it whenever you want, okay? I'm going to show you guys the elevator doors on the outside and the elevator panel, okay? Now, and it can only be Schindler related, though, okay? So it can't be Otis, it can't be ThyssenKrupp, it can't be Kone, okay? If you use any other elevator brand, you're going to get an F, okay? This is a project. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I didn't tell you guys that we were doing a project. But I want you guys would pick one of the elevators at UPMC, Montefiore, and Presby. And think about how you want to modernize, okay? Because Schindler maintains most of the elevators on the campus. So that's why we're sticking to Schindler, okay? All right. So, here are the elevators that are going to receive a future modernization. There they all are. The top row, modifier. The bottom row, Presby. Now think about it. Okay? Think about it. I want you guys to imagine. How do you want to modernize one of these elevators? There's 10 at modifier, 15 at Presby. Maybe thinking, oh, there's not 15 at Presby, there's like 5 of them. No. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15 plus 10 is 25 elevators, okay? Alright? 25 elevators to modernize, to choose from, okay? We have the Houghton modifier, the old Carlisle elevator. We have the old East elevators. We have the OR cars. We got the UPMC Presbyterian main elevators. The two other ones. We have the two express elevators, Scaife Hall elevators, main elevators with the freight. And we got the Ioneer Institute. Okay, because we can't. If we use Otis, we know we're going to get an F. Okay, off the bat. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the panels now. Here are the panels. I don't have a panel picture. Oh.
911, what's the nature of your emergency?
I don't, Mister, do not do that. All right. So basically, there are the elevators right there. Now we didn't see this one yet. Okay, that's the R elevator. The Ioneer Institute is closed on the weekends. So we can't see that today. Sorry. All right. They have Adams pictures, and they're going to be. Now these would be great for Schindler Port. These two right here. These two ones up here, but these two would be. Does it have to be hydraulic? Okay. Can only be Schindler related. Okay, like something like that elevator right there. Okay.
How to make couture on?
So basically, what I'm saying is, you can't modernize this one by Otis because it's an Otis. You can't modernize these by Otis because they're Houghton. You can't modernize this by ThyssenKrupp just because it's a ThyssenKrupp. And you can't modernize these by Schindler. Oh, by the way. Okay? Just pick one, okay? You can only pick one. You can't pick two, okay? Picking two will get you an F. Or, you know what? Here's what we'll do. If you want to do two, that's fine, okay? But it seems like extra work, okay? But it's extra credit, okay? All right? Hear me, mister? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you can do two if you want. Okay? If you guys are got any questions about this, just let me know, okay? And I'll help you guys out, okay? So let your imagination run wild and take this lesson as not only a lesson, but a project for the end of the school year as well. Enjoy and stay safe when you're out at work. New installations. Tomorrow we're going to talk about another project we're going to do. Installations at the hospital at Modifier and Presby, okay? Now, I think we're going to end this lesson now because there's nothing much more to say. But when we're done with this lesson here, we're going to get into Eastern Gateway. All right, we're going to get into Eastern Gateway probably. We're going to talk about 2 elevators there. And then next week, I mean, probably tomorrow, we'll get into the Philippines trip, okay? Yeah. Oh, yes, here's my emergency. Here's my emergency, okay? I know my emergency. See? Here's what my emergency is. Emergency, so stop doing that! Guys, listen, we are not pulling any jokes on a live stream, okay? I don't mean to sound rude, but we're not doing it. So I'm not going to hear anybody saying 911 with your emergency or Ryan's unit. We're not playing any jokes, okay? Anybody's playing jokes, guess what? You can laugh all your way down to ABC, okay? Mister, you have 1 strike. 3 strikes, you're in ABC. Right there. You'll be staying there the whole day. Okay? So that goes to the rest of you, okay? Like Colin and Jason. I mean, yes, or Bay State Elevators and Air Train Lover. Listen, you guys. We'll all have ABC if you don't stop joking, okay? I can't wait to give you an ABC if you do something on here, actually, because you deserve it. Because all you guys want to do is cause trouble. I'm not saying all of you, okay? All right? So let's make sure we're respectful of what I have to say, okay? Because my stuff is actually true, okay? And what you're going to be seeing the next few days is actually true, okay? The Philippines trip is true. And you guys may be able to come with me. I don't know. I'll let you guys know, though, okay? All right. Okay, guys. Well, that's going to be it for this live stream. I'll see you all later. Sure to try my elevating Toronto by Toronto Elevators, and if you have any questions about this project, feel free to let me know, okay? And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Peace out.